In this video, we were gonna discuss about the MadMuscle application. For that, the process is very simple. We're just gonna go through the whole website and see what's their application is to offer to the users who actually bought it. So we're gonna go through their website, their application, and see what sort of presets and functionality they have for their users. So as we guys can see that we can get a personalized workout plan in our database. The MadMax is offering a personalized workout plan, a personalized meal plan, and then a habit building system, which is a new thing. Improve not only the physique but also develop healthy habits and fortitude. With MadMuscle, you can reduce your level of stress, improve your sex drive, and try different life-changing challenges. So, as they are claiming that they deliver 115,000 workout plans every 7 years of training, and there are 6,000 pumped biceps and 100,000 users worldwide available in 6 languages. So if we go further down, there are a lot of reviews they have mentioned on the website, but I'm not gonna go with the reviews because sometimes they publicize the paid sort of reviews, and we're not gonna discuss about those. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to another link and see that how actual people who have bought it are reviewing it. So right now I'm on the Trustpilot website, and here you guys can see that the overall review rating is 3.5 star, where there are a total number of 5,250 total reviews, and only the review rating isn't that bad, but it is 3.5 star. And you guys can see that it's a verified account. There is a bank account attached to this MadMuscle account, and the total number of reviews are based on a very different sort of ratio. As you guys can see that 46% has rated it 1 star, and only 38% people has rated it 5 star. So let's read about some of the reviews which are obviously 1 star, and see what people are saying about it. So this person is saying that any positive reviews is clickbait. Any positive reviews are clickbait because this company is horrible, liars, and deceivers. They will charge you for services that you have not agreed to. Myself and others have started a petition against this company. Please be aware, if you into giving your money away, they will gladly take it plus more. I have posted Planet Fitness, Fitness Connection, and several gyms advising these not to use this sort of application, as the instructions are not clear, and one wrong click without confirming with you, they will take your money plus more. These positive reviews that they do have are AI. No one in their right mind will continue to do business with the company. The review was published on January 14th, 2015, one day ago. Beware of this company. Scam. Avoid the application. If I could give them 0 star, I would. Beware if you choose to buy this. Pay attention. Purchase 1 month membership online for $15, went to check out, and somehow it added up on coaching, food, and some on the crap I didn't want, and billed me another $49.95. Contacted them. They said could not do refund. Why? They want the proof that the program didn't work before they can refund. I didn't want to extend, and I didn't use it. Why can't I get the refund the portion? I told them I would keep the $15 membership, which I did, and don't use because it sucks. I now use JFit. So guys, by reading all of the reviews over the internet, I personally can tell you that the application is not legitimate, and beware if you're investing any sort of money in it, because they can commit something else, and will charge you for something else, and I will totally don't really recommend you guys to go into this sort of application. So be careful about it, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.